So here we are with the next step. We're at Aweber here. You can see that in the Aweber account there, and we have got to the point where we've got the pages all set up, all edited, ready to upload, apart from getting the Aweber code onto the first page. So we want, when people click that button, if I quickly show you that button there, what we want them to do is to hit that button and then they go straight to our Aweber form. Okay, so what we do is if we haven't got a form set up, so let's just say we are going to have a new list, so we go on manage lists. I'm not going to set one up, but I'm just going to show you the steps so that you know how to do that. So you just hit create a list and then you get a list added here. First thing you need to do is, once you've got on your list, is go to list options, go to settings, and there's basically three sections to it. Let me just minimize the window up, but they're basically here. Look, so you've got basic settings, which are these here. Okay, and then you've got personalize your list. Don't you worry about that. Confirmation message. And the most important one is to click off here. Okay, so send a confirmation message. I've always used unconfirmed opt-in, never had a problem. If you use confirmed, it means people have got to open an email and click a message, and only about half of them are going to. So basically you get half the leads. So I don't find it worth it. So once you set up a new list, then we go to sign up forms. Basically what we do here is we can actually create a sign up form here now. So just bear with me a minute. So you can see it just copied that here, and it's copied it. I was just trying to copy it across to the other. So we've got the main offer here, and then you've got the upgrade offer here. So a different list. Because what will happen is when people opt in, they'll go onto that first list. So they go onto that one, and then when they buy the upgrade, they pay for PayPal, and then they get a form, another opt-in form, to put them on the buyer's list. So, because obviously you need to send them because you want to send them straight to the ClickBank offer, you need to email them the download. Also, that makes sure you get the right email. So that's a good thing to do. And I wanted the form in here, into this in the upgrade one. This one it's on. And I was hoping I could copy it across, but I'm not quite sure how to do that. I've not done it before, so I normally create a new one. So I'm gonna have to create a form in here. So but that's not the point at the moment. What we're looking to do at the moment is to basically, you can see that when look, it's copied there, but it's in on the same list. So this is the one that we're working on, and basically, so we click on that. And then you get the first step, which basically is how you edit it. So this is where you've got the template. Don't have anything too advanced. I mean, I think we use this one here, so that's fine. That's what it looks like. Okay, so basically I click away the Aweber thing. You could even click away the footer if you wanted to. Just a nice bold call to action there. First name, best email, create account, and then obviously I've got create account written there that matches here. Email privacy. That's very, very simple. So then you'd obviously click save form. It's just a little bit lower down. So click the save form, and then next to it is a big blue button. Go to step 2, which will give you the thank you page. Now this is going to be the thank you page will be. Let's just minimize that a little bit. So basically, we will actually have our own custom page. So we'll click on that one and put a URL in here. But until I've uploaded it, I want to obviously check I get the right URL. So I'm leaving this as the basic one for now. So I need to go back in and change that. All right. So then that gives us go to step 3. Okay. Save form. And then basically you've got 3 options here. This is if you want to put the form on a page. you've got a page you want to put a form on, use this one. If you want more advanced and someone's doing it for you, that's this one. And then we're going to use this one here, use my form as landing page. So basically click on this, that gives you the link there, and that will be control copy, that will be our link. So we just want to save that. So we've got the Aweber hosted form URL, and now we're going to put this on this main page. This is our first page. So we do what we did with the PayPal link, just basically right click, image link properties, and then you've got the link here, you just paste it in there. Okay, so there it goes. Okay, and we basically do that 4 times, I think it is. So just do every single one, just go back and just paste that in. Control X, V, sorry. What's that? Asking for the alternative text again. So that's basically the form code now added to the page. So we've done this for all 4 buttons now. So now we click save. Should have done it each time actually. Good practice, but there you go. So now we've got the pages all edited. The only thing we've got to do is to do the PayPal script. So I'll just show you how to do that, and then we can go on to uploading. Now it's interesting, I actually got 3 scripts created. This is the second one here, which has got a login area, which makes it a bit easier to add the your PayPal details and everything too. But unfortunately, I couldn't get it to work the other day, so I don't know whether something's changed with the coding or what's happened there, but I need to investigate why that isn't working now. So I tried it with another thing, and I ended up having to use this the bronze version. I've got a gold version now, which is dynamic, where you can actually change the file names inside the folder. So anyway, that aside, we go to that folder. There's the PayPal script there, PP. Now, what you cannot do, you cannot open this in NVU because it's a PHP script file. If you open PHP in NVU, it'll wreck the script and it won't work. Again, another reason to always keep a copy. So what we want to do is to click on that, open with, and then we use Word. It's not giving me it. It's funny. Just hang on a second. Yeah, for some reason it's going a bit funny. So just clicked on it, and then you get WordPad. Not Word, it's WordPad or Notepad, but WordPad I find a little bit better. Doesn't seem to mess around too much. So it's like a text editor rather than an HTML editor. Right, now it's very, very simple, this script. So what we've got here is the various fields. See, it says edit these properties. Here, look, it says edit properties below. That's it, stop editing. So what you've got to do is put those few things in there, and basically the code is going to grab these. So PayPal email address. So whatever your PayPal email is, that goes in this one here between those 2 parentheses. Then you've got the amount of item, what it is. Okay, then you can name the item. You can give the item a number. You don't have to do that, but you can do that. Then the thank you page. So this is where the second Aweber code is. This is for different website. So the second Aweber code for the buyers list goes here, and then this is so that's basically where this is one to go afterwards. So once they paid, where do they end up? And in this case, it was a MailChimp account. We're going to put Aweber in here, have an Aweber code, so they go on that buyers list. Cancellation page, I usually send them to the same page. Obviously, what people can do is have a different offer, like a lower offer. You can have on the cancellation page, and then so if they cancel, they go to another page, and then you put that in there where the visitor go if the payment is cancelled. Very, very simple. Okay, and that saves me having to log into my PayPal account, or if I'm doing it for a client, into theirs, which is more of an issue. So it makes it very simple. Just got to edit those things, and that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to add in these fields now correctly, and save that, and then we're ready to upload everything to the domain.